Namaste, and welcome to today's video. If you've ever been curious about Hinduism, you're not alone. Hinduism is one of the world's oldest and most complex religions, with a rich tapestry of beliefs, practices, and traditions. In today's video, we're going to explore 5 common questions that people often ask about Hinduism. Whether you're new to the subject or looking to deepen your understanding, stay tuned. Let's begin with the fundamental beliefs of Hinduism. At its core, Hinduism teaches the concepts of dharma, karma, samsara, and moksha. Dharma refers to the moral and ethical duties each person must follow. Karma is the belief that every action has consequences, affecting our future lives. Samsara is the cycle of birth, death, and rebirth. Finally, moksha is the ultimate goal, representing liberation from this cycle and union with the divine. These principles guide how Hindus live their lives and interact with the world. Next, let's tackle the question of gods in Hinduism. Hinduism is often described as a polytheistic religion, meaning it has many gods, but it also encompasses monotheistic and henotheistic practices. There are 3 primary deities that many Hindus worship: Brahma, the creator of the universe; Vishnu, the preserver, who sustains and protects the world; and Shiva, the destroyer, who transforms the universe through destruction, paving the way for new creation. These deities, along with many others like Lakshmi, Durga, and Ganesha, are revered in different forms and manifestations, reflecting the diversity of Hindu worship. Moving on to the sacred texts, Hinduism has a vast body of scriptures. The most ancient are the Vedas, which consist of 4 collections: Rig Veda, Samaveda, Yajurveda, and Atharvaveda. Other significant texts include the Upanishads, which delve into philosophical ideas, and the Bhagavad Gita, a dialogue between Prince Arjuna and the god Krishna on duty and righteousness. There's also the Ramayana and Mahabharata, epic tales that are central to Hindu culture and moral teachings. Hinduism is known for its vibrant and diverse rituals and festivals. These celebrations are more than just traditions, they are expressions of devotion, community, and spiritual life. Diwali, the festival of lights, symbolizes the victory of light over darkness. Holi, the festival of colors, celebrates the arrival of spring and the triumph of good over evil. Other important festivals include Navaratri, Durga Puja, and Ganesh Chaturthi. These rituals and festivals help reinforce the values of Hinduism, bringing people together to honor the gods, nature, and life itself. Finally, let's discuss life after death in Hinduism. Hindus believe in reincarnation, that the soul, or Atman, is eternal and takes on new bodies through countless lifetimes. The soul's journey is determined by karma. Good actions lead to better future lives, while negative actions can result in more challenging rebirths. The ultimate goal is to achieve moksha, or liberation, breaking free from the cycle of rebirth and merging with the divine. This belief in reincarnation and karma profoundly shapes how Hindus approach life, death, and morality. And that's it for today's video on Hinduism. I hope you found these answers insightful, and that they helped you understand this ancient and fascinating religion a little better. If you have any more questions or thoughts, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos on spirituality, culture, and religion. Until next time, take care and stay curious.